How to replace the toner collection unit in the HP Color Laser 150 MFP 170 printer series. Replace the toner collection unit in your printer when prompted by the printer. Turn off the printer and then disconnect the power cord. Open the toner cartridge access door. Remove the toner cartridges from the printer using the two tabs on each cartridge. To prevent toner transfer, avoid touching the drum on each cartridge. Where indicated, pull the toner collection unit out of the printer and then set it on a flat surface. Remove the replacement toner collection unit from its package. Slide the new toner collection unit into its slot in the printer. Reinstall the toner cartridges into their slots until they click into place. Close the cartridge access door. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and the printer turns on automatically. If it does not, turn on the printer and then continue printing.